Hello guys, you're all welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make samosa sheets and also spring roll sheets. So watch till the end of this video to see how it was made. Don't also forget to hit the subscribe button, like and comment in this video. So let's begin. I'll be using 2 cups of flour. Next, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Then I'll combine all together. Once I'm done, I'll add in my water. I'll be using 1 cup of water for this recipe. I used my half cup for the measurement of the water. So I'll mix this to form a dough. Once my dough is formed, I'll go to the next step. Here I've formed my dough, and the next thing I'll be doing is to cut it in different sizes. So I'll get 12 balls out of these 2 cups of flour. You can do yours bigger or also smaller, depending how big you want your sheets to be. So here is for the samosa sheet. I'll just hold this in a circular form. Once I'm done, I'll be applying some oil to it. So the oil helps it peel off easily when you're done. And I'll also sprinkle some flour to it. I'll be repeating this process with the remaining dough. So you just apply your oil again and also sprinkle your flour. I use 4 dough for this, and what I'll be doing now is to roll it flat, still in the circular form. Once I'm done, I'll be cutting out the excess parts. Here is for the spring roll wrap. This time we won't be doing it in a circular form, just roll it out a bit straight. You will repeat what we did for the samosa sheet. Apply your oil, sprinkle your flour, and place another dough. And here again, I'll have to stretch it out. And I'll also cut out the excess part of it like we did for the samosa sheets. If you have any question, do well to leave it in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of my videos. Thank you. So here I'll be heating my pan, and once it's hot, I'll place my dough on the pan. All I need to do is to continue flipping it so it doesn't get burnt. Once it's done, you will notice the dough would start peeling off little by little on its own. so you take it out once you notice it. I'll be doing same with the spring roll sheet. You just heat your pan, place your dough and do well to flip, turn over so it doesn't get burnt. Once it's well cooked, you can take it off. Like I said, once it's cooked, you'll notice some parts will be peeling off by itself. So I was supposed to cut out the edge of this to avoid tear, but I'll do it in the spring roll dough. So you just gently separate it so it does not get done. But if you're able to cut out the edge of this, you won't have issue peeling it off. You can tell me what you think about this dough method in the comment section. I'll be placing all my samosa sheets together and I'll cut it out to get a circular form. Once I'm done with this, I'll be cutting this into 4 sizes. As you can see, our samosa sheet is all ready and you can use it. See, so this dough method can actually last for you for a long time compared to the liquid method. So this for the spring roll sheet. I'll cut out the excess part before peeling it off. So you just cut it out gently. Please don't forget to like this video if you think it's helpful. To see more of my videos, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also like, comment and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.